So I'm a big fan of kebabs, and someone mentioned to me about that vegan kebab tasted good. I wasn't too sure, so I decided to pick up one of these, a little home-like kebab sample things to try, and so I'm going to cook it, put it in a pitta, and see if vegan kebab tastes anything like normal kebab. Okay, so this is from some company called Like Meats. Not heard of them before, but Tesco have them in this kind of new section where they've got all the Beyond Meat stuff and the Plant Chef and all this other stuff. So if I pick one up, they say that we want to change what you eat, not who you are. So in here we've got water, soya protein concentrate, margarine, rapeseed oil, spices, brandy vinegar, cane sugar, spice extracts, antioxidants, acroboric acid, all different sorts of stuff. So it just says heat some oil in a pan, fry like a kebab over medium heat for 4 minutes, turn frequently, and yeah, that should be it. So it's kind of what the bag contents looks like. So we'll pop it in a pan and see what happens. Okay, so it's in and sizzling away quite nicely. Looks a bit more like kind of chicken kebab than doner kebab. So chicken as opposed to lamb. Gives off a reasonably fragrant smell. I'm not quite sure kind of what it reminds me of, but it's going to take 4 minutes. So we're going to leave that sizzling and kind of give it a little swish around, and then we should be done. Okay, so the colouring hasn't changed too much, but that's about 5 minutes, so I'm going to serve it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside, and now time for a taste test. Okay, so all cooked up, and now to try a little bit, see what it tastes like. So you saw just a moment ago what it looks like. So smells reasonably fragrant. It is a little bit kind of rubbery, so it does have that kind of chickeny type of texture. It's really nothing like a kebab. It's not unpleasant. So I feel like you should just, don't really know how to define it. So it's not like a kebab, but probably isn't going to be completely unpleasant in a pitta. So let me just pop some in a pitta, a bit of onion, and give that a try. Okay, so a little bit of onion, lettuce, and this like kebab organic stuff, and a little bit of mayonnaise, and a wholemeal pitta. Yeah, I think if you combine it all like that, it does have more of a kind of kebab kind of alternative feel to it. So I think if you were, staggering home with your big goggles on, I think you probably will be satisfied with some of this. I don't think they should. I guess my only hang up is, should they call it kebab? But what defines kebab? I'm not sure. But yeah. So if you have any of this kind of like kebab organic type stuff, supermarket near you, definitely worth trying it out. See what you think. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.